Welcome back to Car Vibes, where we bring you the most exclusive and exciting updates from the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the opulence, innovation, and commanding presence of the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling statement of elite status, where traditional luxury meets cutting-edge technology. At first glance, the 2026 Maybach S-Class retains its iconic silhouette, but with refined updates that speak to its evolution. The front fascia now boasts a more sculpted chrome grille with vertical slats, proudly wearing the Maybach emblem like a crown. Flanking the grille are redesigned digital light headlamps, which not only enhance visibility, but also project symbols on the road to communicate with pedestrians and other vehicles, a subtle yet powerful nod to future mobility. The two-tone paintwork, with hand-applied pinstripes, is still very much a part of the Maybach DNA, but now with additional bespoke color options that cater to the most discerning tastes. Under the hood, this luxury cruiser comes equipped with a choice of two formidable powertrains. The S680 variant continues with the handcrafted 6.0-liter V12, delivering an effortless 621 horsepower, while the S580e introduces an advanced plug-in hybrid system. This combines a 3.0-liter inline-six engine with an electric motor, giving you the serenity of silent electric drive and the punch of traditional combustion, with a total output of around 510 horsepower. Both options are paired with Mercedes' 9G-tronic transmission and the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, ensuring silky smooth shifts and confident traction in any condition. Step inside, and you'll find what can only be described as a private jet on wheels. The interior of the 2026 Maybach S-Class takes craftsmanship to another level. Sumptuous Napa leather swathes every surface, from the multi-contour massaging seats to the headliner. New interior color themes, such as crystal white and silver, grey pearl, elevate the sense of calm and space. Rear passengers are treated like royalty, with reclining executive seats, deployable footrests, and even optional calf massagers. A 4D Burmester sound system surrounds you with concert hall quality audio, while the rear seat entertainment system includes twin 11.6-inch displays and individual tablets embedded in the center console. Technology flows seamlessly through the cabin. The second-generation MBUX infotainment system now uses artificial intelligence more intuitively, learning your habits and preferences over time. The central OLED display floats within a dash of polished wood and metal inlays, offering haptic feedback and voice control that understands natural language commands. You can even set personalized ambient lighting, fragrance diffusion, and seat climate profiles that trigger automatically based on who's driving or riding. Safety, of course, is paramount in the new Maybach S-Class. Enhanced autonomous driving capabilities allow for Level 3 conditional automation in supported regions, meaning the car can handle full driving duties in traffic under certain conditions. With sensors, cameras, and radar systems working in concert, the car constantly monitors its environment for hazards, offering both active and passive protection that sets benchmarks in the industry. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class isn't just an update. It's a redefinition of automotive excellence. It's for those who expect more than luxury. They expect legacy, presence, and perfection. Whether you're behind the wheel or being chauffeured in the back, every moment in the Maybach is an experience tailored to elevate your journey. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Vibes for more premium car reviews and in-depth automotive content. Until next time, keep vibing with the best in the world of cars.